Good morning! This is the 8th workout. I really want your feedback. Please write and share your progress, okay? I'm counting on your reply. Today, after the warm-up, we'll kill belly fat and shape our butt. It will be a hard workout, and push with me all the way to the end. Today's 6 exercises are squats and lateral lunges, burpees. I know you don't like them, but today you'll love them. Glute bridges, to relax after the burpees. Glute kickbacks. Plank on your forearms. And lying knee twists. Of course, 15 seconds of active rest in between each exercise. Let's start the warm-up. As you see, I start with my neck with left, right, up, down motions. You can even do circular motions. Then, to your shoulders, circular motions. I also bent my knees a little. Going down in a lunge position while I stretch my upper body. Hold for a few seconds. Then, change to your other leg. Now, we're going to our legs, doing some slow squats combined with calf raises. Moving down to our ankles, doing circular motions. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to do those burpees. Now, let's start the timer, and we'll start with 30 seconds of squats and lateral lunges. Okay, now breathe for 15 seconds because we'll have 30 seconds of burpees. Don't stop. It's only 30 seconds. Breathe now for 15 seconds. Hold the air in your lungs for a few seconds and prepare for glute bridges. That was quite relaxing after the burpees. Relax for 15 seconds and then 30 seconds of glute kickbacks. These are some of the best exercises for your butt. Active rest and prepare for 30 seconds of plank. Staying in the plank position for 30 seconds is not easy, so just relax and breathe. Active rest, and let's prepare for the last exercise in the set, lying knee twists. Active rest. The first set is over, and let's start with 30 seconds of squats and lateral lunges. Breathe for 15 and get ready for burpees. Don't stop. It's only 30 seconds. That was not easy at all. Breathe for 15 and relax with glute bridges. Active rest. Thirty seconds of glute kickbacks. Active rest and prepare for 30 seconds of plank. Active rest. Relax for 15 and the second set is over. Seconds of squats and lateral lunges. Prepare yourself for burpees. Don't stop. It's only 30 seconds. Breathe for 15 and relax with glute bridges. Active rest. Seconds of glute kickbacks. Active rest and prepare for 30 seconds of plank. active rest. Okay, we are almost done for today. And we're done for today! Great job! Let's stretch a little so you won't be sore tomorrow. I really want you to breathe as deeply as you can during our stretching, because you'll have so much more energy afterwards. Fill your lungs with air and then empty them. At the same time, imagine that you are on the beach in your bikini. You can feel your feet touching the warm sand, and you are so slim and fit that everybody is smiling to you. Stretching does not burn fat, but is great for your flexibility and posture. Now, let's sit down and do another stretching move for our back and hold for a few seconds. Going into the Cobra pose. Bent over your left leg, hold for a few seconds. And then, when you feel it's enough, move to your right leg. Great job! Have an amazing day and see you tomorrow morning!